All right, we're back after a week. We got a dirty screen enclosure today and a driveway to go along with it. Let me show you. All right, so this is the screen enclosure. As we see out here, black. Dirty, dirty, dirty. We do got some ripped screen here that we're gonna have to be careful with. It is only the enclosure today. We are not doing the deck, so obviously it'll get a rinse off when we're washing the screen enclosure anyway, but it's not specifically for the deck rinse. But as we can see, this thing is grimy, dirty, and it does have oxidation on the bottom, which is fine. Just have to keep that in mind down there. As you can see, some oxidation on the bottom. But this thing is gonna come out great. See, all these rails here have grime all over them. We aren't doing it here, so all of this is off limits. But the whole enclosure, I mean, it is dirty, man. It needs it bad. So this will look great back here when we're done with it, as they usually do. Let me take you out front to see the driveway. And here's the front driveway and walkway. As you can see, there's a lot of tanning spots on it, so gonna have to post treat it heavily. It's bad under these trees. Look at that. Come down here to the driveway. No sidewalks or gutters connected to it, so it's gonna be pretty simple, but it is dirty under this tree. All that green there. A lot of dirt right here. Overall, should be a pretty simple driveway. Nothing insane about it. All right, y'all. Screen enclosure is wrapped up. Took us a couple hours. Let me show you the results. As you can see, Everything is very, very white. There was some spots here and there that just would not clean up no matter how hard we tried, whether it be oxidation or I don't know, man, but there was just some spots we could not get, but everything that would come off, we did get it off, and it looks good. As you can see how white the enclosure is here. Bottom panels look good. I said we weren't going to do the floor, but we did a quick rinse of their deck in here anyways, just because we don't want to leave anything looking dirty. So we just gave it a quick rinse down so there's not a bunch of dirt and debris on it. We rinsed off their chairs really quick. Not a big hassle at all. Rinse these chairs too for them. Overall, the deck and the enclosure are very clean. Now we move up to the driveway. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. He's pre-treating with the downstream right now, but there's definitely going to be tanning spots when we're done surface cleaning. So we're probably going to have to bust out the soft wash 5% for it for the post-treat to get it off, but nothing we can't handle.
Alright, well, I went ahead and post-treated this walkway that had the heavy tanning spots with 5%. Here's what we're looking like. Got a little bit right there. But this was covered, I mean covered. We'll go ahead and rinse it before we leave so it doesn't stink so bad. not a lot of tanning, so we're just using the pump up here.
All right, y'all, the driveway is wrapped up, which means the job's complete. Let me show you the end result. So here we go. This whole sidewalk was just full of tanning spots, and now they're gone. Like they were never even there. I'll put up a screenshot of just, you know, what this sidewalk looked beforehand, so you can see the difference we made here. And we follow the walkway along to the driveway, which is clean. See all along here. Apparently that's paint, not tanning stains, so obviously we can't really do nothing for that, but this whole driveway looks good, good, good. There wasn't as many tanning spots on the driveway as we were expecting, so we didn't have to bust out the soft wash. We just used a pump up sprayer with some 5% in it, and that obviously got the job done as it usually does. Out to the street, everything's white, everything's clean. Thank you for watching.